Pobiti Kamani is the Bulgarian words for planted stones. This is a desert-like rock phenomena located in the northwest Varna province border in Bulgaria. It is considered to be the only desert in Bulgaria and one of few found in Europe. The desert consists of sand dunes and several groups of natural rock formations on a total area of 13 square kilometers. The formations are mainly stone columns between 5 and 7 meters high and from 0.3 to 3 meters thick. The columns do not have solid foundations, but are instead hollow and filled with sand and look as if they were stuck into the surrounding sand, which gives the phenomena its name of planted stones. Sandstorms and sand twisters have also been known to commonly occur around this desert region of Bulgaria. The Stone Desert is not only a well-known European tourist attraction due to its desert-like habitat, but is one of the few places where desert-type vegetation such as cactus are known to grow. It is also the only desert in Europe in which desert reptilians and other desert-type animals are found to thrive. The Stone Desert, along with the Tabernas Desert of Spain, is one of two naturally formed deserts in all of Europe, and the only known naturally formed desert in Eastern Europe. In order to be preserved, Pobiti Kamani was designated a natural landmark in the late 1930s. There are a number of theories regarding the phenomena's origin. The pioneering hypothesis can be divided roughly into two groups, suggesting an organic or abiotic origin. According to the former, the formations are the result of coral activity, while the latter explains the phenomena with prismatic weathering and desertification of rocks, the formation of sand and limestone concretions, or lower Eocene bubbling reefs. when I was walking through Pobiti Kamani, I kind of got the feeling that these were remnants of an ancient city. I went to the History Museum in Varna, and apparently this region has some of the oldest gold jewelry ever found in the world, and a lot of other artifacts that have been found and dated to about 5000 BC. And I don't know, some of these stones, they just seem too perfect to be, weathered away or just some naturally occurring thing. So I like to believe that maybe it was some ancient city, or sort of like that big building in Greece with all the pillars, and I'm not sure what it's called, but I'd like to think that it's something spooky, something ancient aliens like, but who knows. Either way, it's a pretty cool place. If you're ever in Bulgaria, which you should go to Bulgaria because Bulgaria is a lovely country. If you're ever in Bulgaria, find a way to get out to Pobiti Kamani.